guys, Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be showing you how I edited these landscape photos. These were in a park by a waterfall that me and some friends went to. Took some really great images. They're probably some of my favorite I've ever taken. I posted them on Instagram. It got a lot of attention from a couple big accounts too. So let's get right into it. So we're here in Lightroom, and this is my first image. This is the one that got featured the most, and right now you're like, oh, it's good except this, and I'm going to show you how to take care of that. So first, let's take care of the exposure and contrast. If you've seen any of my editing, you know I do the same S thing pretty much every photo, and I actually put down the clarity to make it more soft and dreamy, up the saturation and vibrance. So with the greens, you're like, oh, that's really kind of gross, so I bring that down 50, and I bring down the saturation 50 too. Go with it. I bring the saturation down 50 as well, and that gives a really nice color for the greens. And then with the blues, you can see there's a little blue everywhere. I'm just going to take all that out just to make the water like almost like whitish, and I like that a lot better. Makes it seem more like realistic. Highlights I make yellow, shadows blue, sharpen it, and then just do all these, remove chromatic aberration, level it. And now we're going to get into the more tedious part, which is this water drop. Well, actually it's not really tedious, it's pretty simple really. I'm just going to tap that, and then tap that. Done. I'm going to move this down just a bit so I can get to, and then I just line this up. There we go. Zoom out, and there you go. And you can almost not notice that at all, and that's a really good image. I like how it's like dreamy, like faded with the light. It's kind of like seeping in, but it's not like harsh light, it's like soft light, and the water with the long exposure is just really nice. So let's get into another image. So I'm going to reset this image, and I'm just gonna do the same with the tone curves like I always do. And that's how I edit that. So if you take these like principles to every photo you do, you'll get some awesome images with like color wise. Obviously the main thing is your framing in camera, and with your eye, you know, getting that perfect image right out of camera is obviously what you want, but sometimes you can fix a couple flaws in editing, which is what I do here. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful, and check out some of our other videos. Yeah, see you next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you go home?